Well, that was no good. So what I think happened is I kept bumping the charge up, and the last one I not only bumped the charge up even higher, I wrapped it in more tape. So I think we finally had the proper compression ratio to get all of it to burn, and just too large of a charge. So as you can see in the first ones, we sort of had shredded tape and centrifuge tube. The latter one, there was no real tube left, and there's giant chunks of tape. And as you can see, with that charge being so close to the wall of the rocket as well, it just vented right out the side. Luckily, the tear stopped just shy of where the coupler would go, so we should be able to reinforce that internally by just gluing in another coupler. So we're going to do that quickly off camera here. Another problem we had, even though those cardboard tubes would axially align the centrifuge tube, they didn't really contain the pressure. So we're going to go ahead and switch one of those out for a section of copper pipe with an end. We took the end out on the anvil and flattened it off. We're going to chop a hole in that and then solder or braze it together. And then give it another go. And that should just about do it. It went far enough to pull out where the parachute would be, and I think in free space where it wasn't dragging along the ground it would go even further. So we might do one more with all the laundry in, but we're going to call that a win for today. Looking at the aftermath, everything seems fine with the mount, and we see more of a breech style on the tape than we did with the earlier ones with low containment that were more of a shred. So I guess this might be a characteristic that we're going to be looking for. Thanks, and we'll catch you next time.